In-home security, a discreet and convenient solution, has become the best light bulb security camera of 2024. Ingeniously designed, this unassuming devices seamlessly blend into any environment while providing vigilant monitoring for homes, offices, or studios. Despite their appearance as ordinary light bulbs, they pack a powerful punch with integrated high-quality cameras. This duality offers dual advantages: inconspicuousness to deter potential threats, and easy installation into existing light fixtures, eliminating the need for extra wiring. Enhanced functionalities such as motion detection, night vision, and two-way audio elevate these cameras to new heights. Our exploration will delve into the market's finest options, spotlighting their unique features and distinctions, making the selection process a breeze. SameUI Light Bulb Camera. The SameUI Light Bulb Camera is an ingenious blend of illumination and security that's reshaping the surveillance landscape. Priced at an affordable $26, this cutting-edge device offers a 3-megapixels Full HD camera discreetly housed within a standard light bulb. It ensures seamless connectivity with the flexibility to support both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz wireless Wi-Fi. Boasting exceptional clarity surpassing 1080p, the OptiGuard light bulb camera delivers crystal-clear visuals day and night. Its 360-degree panoramic range supports color, infrared, and smart night vision, eliminating blind spots. The motion detection and tracking system guarantees precise object identification within its expansive field of view. Equipped with a built-in microphone and speaker, this surveillance marvel facilitates seamless two-way communication through the app. Sharing with family and friends is effortless, allowing multiple connections to a single camera. Its adaptability shines through, suitable for both indoor and outdoor settings. Installation is a breeze using a standard E27 bulb base, and the app connectivity is hassle-free. With versatile storage options, including memory cards and cloud services, the SameUI Light Bulb Camera offers a complete security package. SameUI 2K Light Bulb Camera. Meet the SameUI 2K Light Bulb Camera, an affordable Sentinel priced at $27, destined to revolutionize your home security. Boasting a 2K HD resolution, this cutting-edge device ensures unparalleled clarity for indoor and outdoor settings, be it the front door, backyard, or garage. Even under the shroud of night, its built-in spotlight grants color night vision, enabling precise facial recognition of potential intruders. Installation couldn't be simpler. This wireless wonder screws effortlessly into standard E26 and E27 light sockets, 110 to 240 volt. After downloading the user-friendly app and following the in-app instructions, the setup is a breeze, with support for 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. No additional power supply is required, rendering the process hassle-free. With motion tracking capability, the SameUI camera monitors pets and kids in real time, sending alerts and ensuring your home's safety. It boasts a 360-degree full view, 350-degree pan, and 90-degree tilt, offering comprehensive coverage. The app lets you control everything remotely, keeping you informed even when you're away. 24/7 recording to SD card storage up to 128 GB or cloud storage captures all crucial moments. From mischievous pet antics to thwarting would-be thieves, the SameUI 2K Light Bulb Camera offers a steadfast guardian, safeguarding your haven with unmatched efficiency. Wooling 2K Bulb Camera. Elevate your security game with the Wooling 2K Bulb Camera, a dynamic solution priced at $30 that promises to redefine your surveillance experience. With unmatched 2K clarity, this wireless Wi-Fi marvel delivers images sharper than 1080p, ensuring every detail is captured in pristine quality. Whether day or night, the color night vision guarantees unwavering visibility, accessible through the intuitive HomeEye Pro app on smart devices. Installation is a breeze. Equipped with a standard E27 bulb base, 100 to 240 volt, the camera seamlessly blends into any environment. Download the app, connect the camera to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, and you're ready to go. No complex setup required. while 5 GHz Wi-Fi isn't compatible. Encompassing a panoramic view with 355-degree horizontal rotation and 90-degree vertical tilt, the Wooling camera leaves no angle unchecked. Motion detection triggers real-time app notifications, ensuring you're always in the know. The two-way audio function facilitates direct communication with visitors, while an alarm siren is a deterrent against unwanted intruders. Seamless multi-user sharing allows multiple devices to access the same feed simultaneously. Store your footage securely with 24/7 cloud storage, or use a TF card up to 128 GB, not included for a comprehensive record. The Wooling 2K bulb camera merges functionality and convenience, offering peace of mind and top-tier security at an affordable price. Noonkey light bulb camera. The Noonkey light bulb camera, a triple-pack security solution priced at $61.57, redefines simplicity and efficiency in home surveillance. Installation is a breeze. This wireless wonder effortlessly screws into a standard E27 light socket 110 to 240 volts, requiring no additional power supply. Utilizing innovative connection technology, the camera seamlessly syncs with your Wi-Fi within 30 seconds via the user-friendly app. Experience exceptional clarity with its 2K 3 megapixels Super HD resolution, a 40% improvement over standard 1080p cameras. Equipped with 4 floodlights and 4 IR lights, it offers 3 distinct night vision modes for optimal visibility even in the darkest corners. Its high-sensitivity motion sensor and real-time alerts ensure that potential threats are never missed. It covers every angle with a 360-degree panorama view, 355-degree horizontal rotation, and 90-degree vertical rotation. Alexa voice assistant integration further enhances control. The built-in speaker and microphone facilitate two-way communication, ensuring you're always connected to your home. With SD card and cloud storage support, the Noonkey light bulb camera guarantees 24/7 recording. Elevate your security game with this comprehensive, user-friendly solution that keeps your home safeguarded day and night. Galileo light bulb camera. Discover the ultimate security innovation with the Galileo light bulb camera, priced at a mere $25. Embrace effortless installation with the E27 light bulb camera, a true wireless wonder. Screw it into a light socket, follow the in-app guidance to connect to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, and enjoy a hassle-free setup without additional power requirements. Boasting 2K Ultra resolution, Galileo offers unparalleled clarity, enabling easy recognition of faces and details. Its floodlights and IR lights ensure vibrant, colored images even in complete darkness. From day to night, identify potential threats with ease. Equipped with motion tracking technology, this wireless Wi-Fi bulb camera follows moving objects, sounding alarms, and emitting white light to deter intruders. Enjoy real-time notifications for detected motion or sound. Benefit from two-way audio. Communicate through the built-in microphone and speaker and share the experience with multiple users. Experience a 360-degree view with a 355-degree pan and 65-degree tilt range, effortlessly monitoring various areas of your home. Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility provide voice control, adding a layer of convenience. Elevate your security quotient with the Galileo light bulb camera, an affordable marvel that blends superior technology with seamless usability. Rake Blue light bulb camera. Discover the pinnacle of home security with the Rake Blue light bulb camera, priced at $40. Installation is a breeze. This camera attaches directly to your lamp holder 100 to 240 volts, completing setup in 5 minutes. Compatible with 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks, controlling and maintaining your security has never been easier. Unveil every detail with 4x digital zoom, ensuring high-definition clarity even as you magnify. Cloud storage offers free protection for up to 18 months, utilizing unique encryption technology for utmost security. Two-way communication through the built-in microphone and speaker enhances connectivity, while 1080p full-color night vision captures vivid imagery day and night. Experience human motion detection with a 350-degree pan and 90-degree tilt, leaving no corner unchecked. Real-time alerts keep you informed, ensuring family safety and property protection. Share the device with up to 8 family members and enjoy 6 months of free replacement in case of quality issues. Elevate your security with the Rake Blue Light Bulb Camera, a comprehensive solution that guarantees peace of mind. Thank you for exploring the top-notch advancements in home security with the best light bulb security cameras of 2024. Stay ahead of the curve by subscribing to our channel for more innovative tech insights and reviews. Don't compromise on safety. Illuminate your space while looking for potential threats. Remember to like, comment, and share to spread the word about the latest smart security solutions.